So here's the deal.
Here's the deal. Oh, great. We got another video where it can only go downhill from here. And yeah, that's a cop going hands-on. But he's probably got a really good reason for it, doesn't he? And yeah, it gets to the point where I gotta blur some of this nonsense.
Blame the YouTube algorithms, Sonny. Blame the algorithms.
On the bright side, we will be featuring Shakira in this video. Maybe throw in some point assistas. It's Sister Sledge, doofus. And Beastie Boys, perhaps? But how are we gonna work this one in?
Shut up, just shut up, shut up.
Good idea. Let's start the video. This is Tema County, Iowa. Population around 3,000. Now keep in mind, in Tema and even in smaller towns, well, really in any town in America, your rights don't disappear when somebody makes an anonymous call on you. On March 30th, 2024, Tema, Iowa dispatch got a call from one of those concerned neighbors about a verbal altercation she was witnessing at a property within eyesight and earshot.
Tema County 911, what's the location of your emergency?
I live at 310 East 4th Street. It's across the street from me. There is a massive altercation going on over at the trailer caddy corner from our house. We're just across the street, screaming, yelling, cussing, all kinds of insanity.
Okay, are they inside or outside?
No, they're out on the deck and inside, and then screaming when the kid goes inside, and then they come out on the porch and they start screaming and yelling.
All right. Can you tell how many people are involved?
3 or 4.
3 or 4? Okay.
I know there's a lady that lives in the trailer there, and I don't know who else lives over there with her, but there's a vehicle outside, and I know there's 3 or 4 people I can see.
Did you see any physical altercation or
No, I didn't see anything. Just verbal, screaming, yelling. Somebody was telling him to get out, and he was cussing and screaming and went in anyway.
I've got officers responding. If I can, I'd like to keep you on the phone.
No, that's fine. There's a young man leaving now, carrying something.
And he's walking?
Yeah, he's screaming at someone, "You got to get out of my mom's house in a effing week." And he's pointing his finger. I don't know. Little kids, too. 3 little kids, like 3, 4, 2, in tow from the gentleman that's screaming, cussing, yelling.
Okay.
Poor little kids. And I have my grandkids outside. Otherwise, I wouldn't have called, you know.
And they're walking.
Yeah, the officers are coming up.
Okay. Can you point them in the direction where he went as well?
I think they can see it. They're right in front of his car. Yeah.
Okay.
They got it blocked off. They're good.
Guys.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I was told there's people fighting here.
No fighting, arguing. Family dispute.
Brothers arguing.
Okay.
That's all it is.
And
We didn't call you. We don't need you.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
Am I under arrest?
No, not right now.
Then no.
Okay. Stop.
No, I
he
didn't.
ain't gonna.
At this point, either the officer lied to the property owners or dispatch lied to the cop. Dispatch was clearly told there was just screaming, yelling, and cussing. Nothing physical.
No, I didn't see anything physical. Just verbal, screaming, yelling.
But the officer says,
I was told there's people fighting here.
upon initial questioning, those involved informed the officer that there is no fighting.
No fighting.
Just a family dispute.
We are family.
That should have been the end of it. But the cop, that's Sergeant Jake Kessler, decides he's going to go hands-on.
Put your hands behind your back.
I didn't do nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'll give you my ID.
Put your hands.
I'm just trying to.
Give me your ID then.
He didn't do nothing.
Okay, call it what you want.
It's just brothers
I
arguing.
didn't do nothing.
Okay.
And he's being the mother.
Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't do nothing. Hey, please. Hey, look, I'm sorry. Ow! I'm not in the What the fuck? This I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. I was giving you my ID.
shut up. Who else is arguing?
It was him and him arguing.
Anything other than this knife on you?
No. I was yelling.
We'll work on that. Go ahead and stand up.
Telling him to stop.
What is going on?
We were just arguing because he's
You can
mad.
go on my car, Dallas.
He's mad that I've been staying here with my mom. He tried saying
It's just,
that, you know, I wasn't helping my mom out. And
it's just this.
you know, I said
Hold on, just wait.
I said that, you know, I've been helping her out, and then, you know, we were just arguing back and forth, and I told him, I was like, please stop. My mom was telling him to stop. That's all that happened.
Okay.
And I start yelling because I start getting scared.
All right.
You know.
All right.
Okay. Do you have an ID?
I do.
But neither one of them did anything wrong. Just
But when I
arguing.
show up here and I need to figure stuff out, and I deal with that, we're not doing that.
There are two fundamental rights every human being has: the right to be silent and not answer questions, and the right to protect your anonymity, which evaporates as soon as you relinquish your ID. Now, if you want to keep it cordial, just ask, hey, what crime do you suspect me of committing, and what probable cause do you have? And by the way, where's your warrant that grants you permission to be on my property? Minus that warrant or exigent circumstances, you have no right to be here, and I don't grant you permission. Guys, protect your rights.
You gotta fight for your right!
Where's Andrew and me?
In the back of my car.
Do you need his name? I can give you his name.
I do need his name.
It's Andrew Haas.
How long are you guys fighting for?
It was just a few minutes.
Yeah, it was just them bickering back and forth because, you know, one of them says something and the other one gets snappy back and just causes argument.
What's his birthday?
I'm assuming those are both males.
They're not here. I haven't talked.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
$51. Another one by name, date of birth when you're ready. Same last name. First name's Andrew.
Alright, step up. Turn around. Nothing else on you?
No. Like I said, there's some change in this pocket, but that should be it.
Alright. Get up.
Before you answer any questions or answer any statements, you must fully understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult with a lawyer before you answer any questions or make any statements, and have a lawyer present during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be provided to you free of cost if
I
you'd
was
like
just
one.
trying to leave, to avoid a
Do
fight.
you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Okay.
Please don't. I was getting ready to leave. I promise I will leave. I got.
Hold on. Can we try this again? In a much more civil way.
Yes. I'm so sorry.
What happened today?
So I come here and visit my mom. I bring my wife and my kids every Saturday. My brother Alamo, he's got a cocky attitude for some reason. I was doing a bird feeder. He was just being all cocky. We started arguing.
Okay. Why were you arguing?
Just because the way he's talking to me and the stupid shit he's saying.
Hey, I got an idea. Stop talking to police.
Shut up, just shut up, shut up.
You don't owe them an explanation, and the more you say, the greater the chance that stories just don't line up. And if the cops start thinking that you're lying to them, well, they're going to pin you for obstruction of an investigation, and it can only go downhill from there. Talking to police is almost always a bad idea, and apologizing to police is an even worse idea. You want the best possible legal standing, then shut the frick up. But some people feel like they have to just keep on talking so they can express their innocence. And you know what? Cops love this.
I was actually getting ready to leave. That's my kids' stuff and my soda on the sidewalk. I was actually getting ready to put it in the car because I'm trying to avoid it all. I don't want to deal with it.
Are you mad that your brother's staying here?
No.
Okay.
Yes, I did tell him we needed to go. That's just because I was mad. You know, kept telling me shut up, and he wouldn't shut up. He just kept going and going and going. Like, dude, just shut up, please. Like, I'm trying to get my kids and leave to avoid all this. Like,
So,
I live in our way. My wife don't even drive. My oldest is at his grandparents. He's supposed to be home tomorrow. At home. I'm just trying to leave.
where do you live at?
I live in St. Anthony.
So when I get called to a fight in progress with 3 or 4 people involved, is how it comes out to me, okay?
Again, either the cop or the dispatcher is lying. There is no record of a fight in progress.
When I get called to a fight in progress,
Just a verbal altercation between family members, which happens all the time, and it was reported by a nosy neighbor who thought it was a brilliant idea to call state agents with guns.
And I get here, you want nothing to do with me.
I was just.
You won't give me your ID.
I'm sorry.
I asked you to put your hands behind your back, and I grabbed your arm, and then you want to resist.
No.
We're not going to play that game.
I
Especially when I have 3 or 4 people fighting, maybe, okay? That's why that happened like it did.
I tried catching myself because I don't want to fall down with the stairs. And I really am sorry for that. I'm not the type of person that wants to argue with cops or nothing. I just wanted to leave. That's all.
And I just wanted your ID, right?
And I'm sorry.
Okay. So right now, that probably would have happened if you gave me your ID, and it would have been a simple, easy thing.
Please.
But right now, you're under arrest for interference.
Where's my wife and my kids supposed to be?
I don't know.
Just please.
They'll have to figure that out for right now.
I am sorry. Just please, one chance. You won't.
Okay.
You won't ever.
So here's the deal.
Yeah, so here's the deal. We love the fact that you're groveling and pleading with us and apologizing and admitting you were in the wrong and that you should have given us your ID, which isn't true at all. But the deal is, we love when you beg us and you're going to lose your freedoms anyway. That's the deal.
It's a simple misdemeanor. I'm going to take you up to the jail. And with it being a simple, you can plead guilty or not guilty. If you plead not guilty, you'll get a court date and you're free to leave. If you plead guilty,
when would I be able to leave?
listen. If you plead guilty, you'll leave and they'll send you your fine in the mail. Either way, you get to leave. It's a simple.
Today?
Yes.
Okay.
But either way, you're going up there first.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
I just want to get my wife and my kids. Can I talk to my wife real quick?
I'll have her come over here.
Okay.
44, you want to have her come over?
I am really sorry. I really appreciate everything you guys do for us. You guys risk your life every day.
Thank you, officer, for risking your life every day. Why not just go ahead and say, hey, officer, I'm sorry I made you throw me on the ground and cuff me. I'm really, really sorry that I'm the reason you're going to kidnap me in front of my wife and kids. America, you got to keep it together. Stop acting on emotion. Stop being scared. Have a little courage. Understand the tyranny we have to deal with and face it with bravery. Now, speaking of somebody who's ruled by emotion, roll the tape.
what's going on?
Don't worry about it. They're going to take you. I'm going to plead guilty.
No matter how he pleads, he'll be free to leave, and I'll bring him back down here. But he will be leaving. He's not staying here after that, okay?
No, they're in Cedar Rapids.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll walk back. I'll get the vehicle. Just please get.
So, hey,
see you.
Either way you're going up there, And either way, you get to leave, but I'll bring you back down if you promise to leave and not come back today.
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely. Absolutely.
Let's go get this taken care of, then we'll come back down and you can pack up and go.
Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back.
It won't take long. Give us like a half hour. Okay. Yeah.
I'll leave the Tema website and Facebook link in the description below. Do you think the officers fulfilled their site's stated philosophy of improve the quality of life and making our neighborhoods safer for everyone in this video? Leave your comments below, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, like and share this video, and support the channel by grabbing a couple shirts and becoming a channel member. But more importantly, do yourself and all America a favor. Stand on your rights and don't back down, and for God's sake, don't apologize for exercising those rights. I'll see you in the next video.